At 9:03 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe The National Weather Service in Greenville-Spartanburg has issued a tornado warning for East Central Greenville County in upstate South Carolina, northwestern Spartanburg County in upstate South Carolina, until 9:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 9:10 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located 4 miles northeast of Greenville downtown, or near Taylor's, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near GSP Airport and Greer around 9:20 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Duncan, Welford, Lyman and Reedville around 9:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Moore and Roebuck around 9:40 Eastern. The event and the specific location where it occurred. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 9:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in South Carolina: Greenville and Spartanburg. Tornado watch number 148 remains.